Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if the search bar is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It may be caused by issues with indexing, Cortana or other system components. Here are several fixes to resolve the problem. First up, you just need to restart Windows search process. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together. And now in this processes section you just need to search host.exe. You can able to see search, just expand it and right click on the search host.exe and select end task. It will restart automatically. And now just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, second step, you just need to rebuild the search syntax. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and opens up run command. And here you just need to type control and click on OK. Select view by two large icons and select indexing options. Select advanced. Under troubleshooting, you just need to select rebuild and select OK option, and the process started. You just need to wait for the process to complete. After getting indexing complete, you just need to check the search bar works or not. If not, then third step, you just need to restart the Windows search service. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and comes up run command. You just need to type in here services.msc. Click on OK. In services, you just need to search Windows search service. Just double click on it. You just need to startup type set this to automatic. In the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it and select apply and OK. Now you just need to right click on the service and select restart. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, then for the step you just need to reset Cortana and search. To do this, just need to press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together and it will be open up task manager. Click on run new task option. In here you just need to check mark create this task with administrative privileges. In here type Powershell. Click on OK. Closed off the task manager. Now you just need to check my video description for this Powershell command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After getting this done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, then you just need to ensure Windows is up to date. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Windows key and I key together and it will be open up settings. On left side select Windows Update, on right side select check for updates. If you have any pending update listed or here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting you are up to date, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then sixth step, you just need to check for corrupted system files. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together and it will be open up task manager. Select run new task. Click on this drop down and select CMD and check mark create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After getting done, I just need to copy the next command and paste it. After getting both commands done, you just need to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then seventh step, you just need to fix region and language settings. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Windows key and I key together to open up settings. On left side, select time and language. Select language and region. Just need to scroll down in region, country or region. Click on this drop down and ensure the correct country or region is selected. And after that, you just need to scroll up and ensure the correct language is added and set it as default. After that, just close tab here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, eighth step, you just need to reset the search bar, guys. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Windows key plus R key together. In run command, you just need to type regedit.exe. Click on OK. Select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. On left side, you just need to delete the search folder, guys. Just right click on it and select delete it and select yes. And now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.